Morning guys, so today ay gagawa ko ng breakfast. So yan, bacon, hash brown, and of course egg, garlic toast. So here's the hash brown, bacon. I'll cook the bacon here. That's my bacon. Cracking the egg and putting inside. Pepper, salt. Ta-da! There. So egg is ready. Here. So bacon is done. Look, all the oils. So hash brown is cooked. Don't mind this side. And the garlic toast is done. The sausage is done. Okay. So breakfast is ready. Hash brown, bacon, sausage, egg, garlic bread. That's Sturdy's favorite. Spam. And this is my husband breakfast. Yan ako, gising na. Si Tursilino magbe-breakfast na ng pangmalakasang all Canadian breakfast. See? Anong lasa ng sausage? Masarap?
Sarap. Very good.
Okay.
Thank
Ikaw nang gigising ng ganari. Oh. Ngayon lang yan.
Bihira lang to.
Bihira
Isang
lang.
bisis pa lang to sa isang taon. Ilang taon na.
Oh, masarap. Gusto mo ng ano? Ketchup?
Okay.
Okay, yun lang guys for today. Thank you for watching. So, eto na guys. Tinitikman na ni Tita yung Canadian breakfast. Anong lasa niyan? Masarap, di ba? Gusto ko siya. Masarap yung brand na yan guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano.
maalat.